Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 9 Healthy hot drinks that can help replace coffee. Several healthy, unsweetened hot beverages can be great alternatives to coffee, such as herbal tea, lemon water, or turmeric milk. 1. Golden turmeric milk. Made from milk, turmeric, ginger, and spices like cinnamon. Turmeric contains the antioxidant compound curcumin, which can help reduce inflammation. May benefit those with chronic pain from arthritis. 2. Peppermint tea. Energizing and caffeine-free, peppermint can help relieve stomach upset. 3. Ginger tea. Rich in antioxidants, ginger tea may ease stomach upset and improve heart health. 4. Green tea. Provides a small amount of caffeine and is rich in antioxidants, which can improve blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. 5. Hot lemon water. Supports healthy digestion and can help relieve stomach upset. 6. Bone broth. May reduce inflammation and support gut health, as it is a rich source of collagen. 7. Chai tea. Made from black tea, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and other spices, it has potential health benefits. 8. Warm apple cider vinegar drink. May benefit blood sugar and insulin levels. 9. Hot chocolate. When made with skim or almond milk and unsweetened cocoa powder, it can be a healthier alternative. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.